Hello guys, welcome to my new channel. Type the like and subscribe and type my name at YouTube, Super Deck Deck. Just find it, Super Deck Deck. If you saw my videos, it's cool. But I have a bestie that has 100 subscribers. She's a girl. She's super faster than me to get some subscribers. That's making me cry now. Okay, I'll show you my piano lessons. Just only three. Oops. I can subscribe. Hit this button. Hit this. Okay. So now I will show you 3 lessons at the piano. So I know 3 songs, but only 3. Not super many. Because my mommy is not teaching me, so I'm just over here gonna show you 3 songs. The first is Baba Black Sheep. The second is Happy Birthday, and the third is Twinkle Twinkle Star. Happy Birthday. Next is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Said 3. That was just a mistake. That was 4. And the 4th one is ABCs. Like and subscribe. If you want to like and subscribe, I will show you some more videos.